This man name is Ben Wallace. Not no damn Benjamin. I was about to say, I've been calling this man Ben Wallace this whole time. He told us he working that paint like Benjamin Wallace. He didn't give him a formal name. Benjamin Wallace.
Ain't ducking no nigga, I'm ducking the jumps. Yeah. Any nigga that I hang with is silence. Shit in my pocket.
I don't got a while and working that paint like I'm Benjamin. These beats is just out of control.
Shit, you crossed that damn line, took me as a scrub.
Bitch.
Put that on your timeline, thought you was the one. Let's go hit my line up, got my hoes lined up. Mask on, then I look like a bitch. I ain't gotta do shit because they shawty tryna move me. She get mad, said the world ain't big enough, and he panic.
Said the world wasn't big enough, and he panicked.
I told you to keep that shit low, cause I'm nobody but you only calling when you
Want some?
want some. Bring them hands up for your own, and
Still gon' want some.
I gotta go harder.
The Sound of Solitude. I kinda like that. I like that. The Sound of Solitude EP, Tavaras, Jordan. It's your fella Retro. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody doing on this Friday, man? The Sound of Solitude, the EP by Tavaras Jordan. Now, if you ain't hip to Tavaras Jordan, I'm gonna be honest, I ain't gonna sit up here and act like I knew him ever since he started making beats, and you know, I've been a fan for forever. Did a reaction to BoofPax, he commented under there, and lately, man, I just been messing with people that mess with me. So that's why whenever I started doing this like 2 years ago, when I was on every single drop from every artist whenever they dropped, and I was on it and I didn't miss a day, and like seemed like lately I've been missing more days, is because lately I just been messing with the people that's messing with me. If you rock with me, I'ma rock with you. If you fuck with what's going over here, I'ma check out your music and, you know, see what you talking about. So we got the Sound of Solitude EP. We got some of our guys on here though, man. We got BoofPax, we got Xelly, we got 16, we got 10K, got Texako, and I haven't heard of BagBoyBando, so this is gonna be my first time reacting to him. We getting into this video for one reason and one reason only, man. Tavaras Jordan messing with me, so we're gonna mess with him. And we fuck with the artist that's on the project, so let's go ahead and get into it.
Tavaras Jordan.
Oh yeah.
Tavaras Jordan.
Oh yeah, I'm liking this. For a first one? Yeah.
Little bro wanna get it like me. Little bro wanna get it like me.
Like me.
I'm lining shit up like a bean. Shawty can make shit fiend. You know I'm so fast and clean. Little bro wanna get it like me. You know that I'm having a green. You know that I got what you need. Only with her, she good and she lean. Call too fast, not doing the speed. Only do dirt when I'm fighting my demons. We don't got time when I'm fighting my demons.
Spark it up.
Yeah.
Light the blunt.
I slide in the mud, you slide in the beam. I'm Scotty too high, I'm counting beans. Yeah, this shit nigga want to understand. That shawty want me, but I wanted her friend. If it ain't no money, I won't come back again. Situation, that shit in my hand. Do what I want, nigga, that's a plan. Shawty be.
Oh, this project gonna be too tough. If this is how the first song sounded, and then you got 10K next. I talk a little low on the beat, but you hear me. Then we got 16. Then we gonna end it off with Xelly. This project might be. Hold on. How many views? Damn, this mug not even. What? I know this only came out 16 hours ago, but damn, all these songs should at least have at least 50K views.
Yeah, this shit nigga want to understand. That shawty want me, but I wanted her friend. If it ain't no money, I won't come back again. Situation, that shit in my hand. Do what I want, nigga, that's a plan. Shawty be losing me, she can't stand me. I'm really outside, got a band. Mask on, then I look like a band. I ain't gotta do shit because damn shawty tryna move me. She get mad, said the world ain't big enough, and he panic.
Nigga, go. I talk on a beat a little
Little bro
low.
wanna get it like me. Little bro wanna get it like me. I'm lining shit up like a bean. Shawty can make shit fiend. You know I'm so fast and clean. Little bro wanna get it like me.
What are we talking about? This the first one? Wanna get it like me? You wanna get it like me? Wanna get it like me? That nigga said I told him the world wasn't big enough and he panicked. I don't have to hold on. I don't have to cause damage. Pull the mask down. Bandit. Let's go, man. Let's turn up. Let's go, man. Let's go, Tavaras. What you talking about, nigga? You got my guys on the project? He must have knew I was gonna react to this.
Shawty be losing me, she can't stand me. I'm really outside, got a band, mask on, and I look like a band. I ain't gotta do shit because damn, Shawty tryna move me, she get mad. Said the world ain't big enough, and he panic.
Said the world wasn't big enough, and he panicked. Go.
Little bro wanna get it like me. Little bro wanna get it like me. I'm lining shit up like a bean. Shawty think that she a fiend. You know I'm so fast to clean. Little bro wanna get it like me. He know that I'm having the green. He know that I got what you need. Only one her, she good and she lean. Call too fast and I'm doing the speed. Only do that when I'm fighting my demons. When I'm good time, don't fight no music.
Tavaras, Jordan.
Something still don't make no sense. Why you change on me? I got the bag of this black truck smoked out, one window down for a second, can't breathe. There's a lot of bad hoes that I'm being, but that money when I need, better keep your eyes open, everything what it's saying. I wake up, it's so moving, sing, still looking, her trying to forget what I seen. She got it, that ass, it look good in them jeans. She like money like me, that's why we always agree to keep playing with this shit like you can end up on a white tee. I'm trying to be on TV like Ice-T. My life feel like with the record by Spike Lee. I ain't dangerous, still on trying. I got on pocket, slow, there's a big body, told her to keep that shit low, don't tell nobody. Why you only calling when you want some? Random ass up for your own, and still gon' want some.
Wait. What? Hold on, what?
We always agree to keep playing with this shit like you can end up on a white tee. I'm tryna be on TV like Ice-T. My life feel like with the record by Spike Lee. I ain't dangerous, still on trying. I got on pocket, slow, there's a big body, told her to keep that shit low, don't tell nobody. Why you only calling when you want some? Random ass up for your own, and still gon' want some. Why them same niggas go ghost every time I need some? I know this nigga, why you so close? I'm finna grab my gun, grab that pole. Why you only calling when you want some? Random ass up for
Huh? That nigga done turned into... Huh? They start singing on us? I told you keep that shit low, don't tell nobody. How we go from that to... Still gon' want some. Why them same niggas go ghost every time I need some? I know this nigga, why you so close? I'm finna grab my gun, grab that pole. Why you only calling when you want some? Random ass up on your own, they still gon' want some. Why them same niggas go ghost every time I need some? I need some. I know this nigga, why you so close? I'm finna grab my gun. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you need. Them niggas followers be in the lead. Play get bigger with lead. I'm talking niggas still tell I say. Every time about money, I leave it on red. You take a look at my eyes, you see me inside. The windows too set up, you can't even see it arise. I love all this, don't think I ever decide. You fuck with these niggas, you don't even switch no sides. Run outside of that, then you know I'm slide. But I love when I'm fucking up and y'all never get tired. Huh?
But the nigga we greedy is you want a piece of the pie.
Piece of the pie?
I'm trying to sit this shit out, but I can't make up my mind.
I can't make up my mind?
I got follow the signs. Nigga won't talk, don't give a fuck when you finna reply. Niggas too soft, this ain't still gonna pull out the fire. One more time, take a little bit, yeah, I know some slime. I ain't even trying, follow my nigga, I'm one of a kind. I just might have that plane right now, you know the flying. I just might have that jet right now, you know the pilot. Well, I'm moving it silent. Nigga, we talking it childish. Baby, I'm mileage. Give me your hair like it's college. Whoa, baby, so solid. Might take a trip to the island. Y'all nigga timeless. I don't even know what the time is. Oh,
Okay.
you take a look at my eyes, you see me inside.
What?
The windows too set up, you can't even see it arise. I love all this, don't think I ever decide.
My first time hearing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I'm just messing with Tavaras, man, and the nigga just beats it just so smooth, and he really can't make a miss, like he can't miss. Or damn. Big boy, it don't even say back. Damn, hold on. Too many words in the same, like just too many words together with no space bar. BagBoyBando. BagBoyBando.
know what the time is.
BagBoyBando.
You take a look at my eyes, you see me aside. The windows are set, you can't even see it arrive. But I love all bitch, don't think I ever decide. If I would nigga, you know that you're switching on sides. Around to the edge, you know I'm a star. But I love when I'm fucking up, then y'all never get tired. But you need we good at you want a piece of the pie. I'm flying safe to sit down, but I can't make up my mind. I can't make up my mind.
I don't think I'm ready for this one right here. 16, that nigga go ghost and come back with a hit.
She gon' be my shorty, I said, girl, I could do better. She gon' find another man, but I'm gon' make her wet. I don't think she understand, I'm focused on this challenge. I just want one night, then I'm back up on the road. Now you can't hold my hand, girl, you just my hoe. I play with these racks, don't you ever call me bro.
Okay.
My ex-bitch hold me back, cause she seen them niggas glow.
Go.
I won't put that pressure on her. Watch that nigga fuck me. Girl, who you be texting on your phone when you alone? Where was all that love when I needed it the most?
Okay, 16. What we talking about,
Bitch, you
nigga?
crossed that damn line, took me as a scrub. Put that on your timeline, thought you was the one. Bitch, don't hit my line up, got more hoes lined up. I've been on that grind, ain't like move, it's my time now.
What we talking about, nigga? In that beat. Hold on, what's in that beat? Is that a wind instrument?
Back, cause she seen them niggas glow. I won't put that pressure on her. Watch that nigga fuck me. Girl, who you be texting on your phone when you alone? Where was all that love when I needed it the most?
These beats is just out of control.
Bitch, you crossed that damn line, took me as a scrub.
Bitch.
Put that on your timeline, thought you was the one. Bitch, don't hit my line up, got more hoes lined up. I've been on that grind, ain't like move, it's my time now. I won't put that pressure on her. Watch that nigga fuck me. Girl, who you be texting on your phone when you alone? Where was all that love
When I needed it.
the most?
Alright. This project.
Bitch,
Okay.
you crossed that damn line, took me as a scrub.
Is this on
Put that
Spotify?
on your timeline, thought you was the one.
Oh.
Bitch, don't hit my line up, got more hoes lined up. I've been on that grind, ain't like move, it's my time now.
Okay. This is on Spotify and it is about to get downloaded right now. Damn, this project tough. And we still got 2 more. I don't even know which one my favorite is so far. Let's keep it going. Who's next? Texako?
Tavaras, Jordan.
My light went out.
Texako, baby, I walk in the club with 150 a dub.
Okay.
Young nigga, he broke it dub.
A dub.
She wanna come for fall in love.
I love.
This money on me, I'ma spend it, I'm making it back, and I go to the plug.
I go to the
the nigga, he said, what is up? I told her how high, they said he gon' jump.
Oh.
So nigga, I got the ball right now. I'm selling balls right now. I'm at the store right now.
Stop.
Cash for the low right now.
For the low.
She wanna fuck me, I can't. Tell that bitch I wake up, no hard eyes, man. I be in that music shit so deep, you nigga lame. Tell that nigga everyone when I want call the game. Little bit call the game. My niggas max pain. My nigga lay it down for the right amount for the change. I can make a bitch change to some freaky shit and do some things.
Okay.
Money on me, make it sing.
Sing.
Money on me, make it sing.
Make it sing. Okay. Oh, yeah. Alright, Texako. That shit was tight. He did his thing. Hold on. Okay. man, shit, if you made it to the end of this video and you ain't hit that like button yet, or you ain't subscribed yet, I don't even know what to tell you. I don't even know what to say if you ain't hit that like button yet, man, because if you ain't hit that like button yet, you ain't even gonna hit it at all, so I ain't even finna be worried about you. But if you did hit that like button, this is the last song, Lil Xelly. Sheesh, we ended it off with Xelly, man. Let's go.
Tavaras, Jordan.
Where's Xelly guy? Huh? What, nigga? Huh? Certified money. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
When you hear that, you already know something about to happen. When you hear certified money, you hear him say, slide.
Yeah, it's the hop out of the best and I hop in that rain. I ain't talking about money, it's nothing they say. You got all that try, she thought she could stay.
Yeah.
I married the money, I call it my baby. I'm real certified if you come on my way. You play my name and I'm banging that cake.
There it is. I knew it was coming. He say that. I mean, it's over with. Just get out my way. And I'm banging that. This how you got dance to television. You gotta stay on your tippy toes.
I'm certified money, I'm serving that change. She wanna go shopping, she know what I like. And she know that I'm with it, it's never a mic. My clip is extended, you know that I'm tight. I'm watching them cars, I'm living that life.
You gotta stay on your tippy toes,
I
man.
was down on my dick, but you know how I'm coming. I hold that gun and I'm hitting that thumb. I ain't ducking no nigga, I'm ducking the jumps.
What?
Any nigga that I hang with is solid. Shit in my pocket, I don't got a wire. I been working that pen like I'm Benjamin Wallace. Yeah, I been getting.
Ooh, whoa. Whoa, hold on. What did he just say?
I don't got a wire. I been working that pen like I'm Benjamin Wallace.
He be working that paint like he's Benjamin Wallace. Hold on, did he use his government? This man name is Ben Wallace. Not no damn Benjamin. I was about to say, I've been calling this man Ben Wallace this whole time. He told us he working that paint like Benjamin Wallace. He didn't give him a formal name. Benjamin Wallace.
Ain't ducking no nigga, I'm ducking the jumps. Yeah, any nigga that I hang with is solid. Shit in my pocket.
I don't got a while and working that paint like I'm Benjamin
Wallace. Yeah, I been getting that chicken, I'm working the side. I just understand what she said, we tonight.
This nigga name is Ben Wallace. Not Benjamin.
Yeah, she wanna rob me, they hop on his high. I feel like CB when I drop in my body. I feel like CB when I'm dissing his Molly.
When I first started listening to Xelly like a year or two ago, I really was just listening to the nigga for like the vibe. But then whenever I really started listening to him, I'm like, this nigga actually be spitting. Like, some artists, like, you listen to him and it's just like they smooth, but no, he really be rapping. That, like, Xelly really be rapping. He literally just called this man, he made up, he just added.
And I hop in that rain. I ain't talking about money, it's nothing they say. You got all that try, but she thought she could stay. Yeah, I married the money, I call it my baby. I'm real certified if you come on my way. You play my name and I'm banging that game.
That nigga said, huh?
Better get out my way.
If a nigga said, huh, on the beat? That nigga said, huh? On the beat, then he got, huh? He got confused. He got, huh? You made it to the end of this video, man. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'm not doing too many videos today because Tavaras, man, nigga, this was a hit. Like, this project right here, I don't know how many views this is gonna get. I'm not even talking about the reaction. It could be the reaction. It could be the project in general. They can get 1 million, they can get 10 million, they can get 100 million, get 1 billion, they can get 1,000. Whoever that 1,000 is, whoever that million is, basically these 300 people that have seen it and listened to it already before me, they know what they just heard. They know what they just heard. So, like I said, even if this video gets 10 views, 30 views, 1 million views, whoever listened to it, we know what's up.